There's a reason you always end up opening the fridge, even when you already know there's nothing inside. And it's surprisingly weird. Think about it. You open the fridge, look around, close it, walk away. Then 5 minutes later, you open the exact same fridge again, as if new food somehow spawned in. But here's the thing, most of the time you're not actually looking for food, you're looking for a solution. Bored? Check the fridge. Procrastinating? Check the fridge. Don't know what to do next? Check the fridge. The fridge has become the default answer to uncertainty. It's one of the few places in your house that promises a reward. Maybe there's a snack, maybe there's leftovers, maybe there's something interesting. Your brain knows the odds are low, but not zero, and that tiny chance is enough. So you keep checking, not because you forgot what was in there, but because your brain is asking the same question over and over. Did anything change? Of course it didn't. The cheese is still there, the ketchup is still there, the leftovers are still questionable, but somehow, you'll probably check again later anyway.